Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Well, today we are gonna do a small customization to the car, and it's actually just something really small and very easy to install. But we are getting a carbon fiber wing, so this will go over, this will go over that, and it's as easy as it is. And also the carbon fiber matches really well with the carbon fiber from the spoiler. So literally, what are we going to do? Well, it's a cover. You don't remove the old one, you just put it over here and that's it. Well, of course, I didn't, this is not the final install, but this is how it will look. And how to install it is very easy. So the thing that you gotta do actually is just this has 3M tape on it, and this is just a little bit dirty, so I'm just gonna clean the wing a little bit, put off the 3M tape, the red thing on the 3M tape, snug it in, give it a good fit, and that's it. And why am I showing this one? Well, actually, we are going to provide this in the merch. So this is actually a test module, for testing. So my supplier contacted me and he said, well, we have a new product, the carbon antenna, and he was like, do you want to sell it? And I'm like, sure, but I first want to test it, because I want to test all the things myself first for like a month, just to see if it's any good or not. And then if I like it, then I will sell it, because I am not going to sell goods that I don't like or I think are crap. So that's why I am not selling everything and all that merchandise, because otherwise the merch would go up in price really hard if I want to provide all the things that I like, because some cheaper variants of merch is just crap, and that's why I don't sell it. And then if I would sell the real thing, it would just be too expensive. So yeah, what we are gonna do now is we are going to clean the antenna and then remove the 3M tape and then give it a good snug, and then it should be done. It's as easy as that. And tell me if you're interested in getting such an antenna, because we don't have that many supplies in the beginning. So if you want some, really hit me up and I will put your name on the list and I will tell you when they are available for purchase. So yeah, okay, so we really just have a towel, a cloth or something, spray it a little bit and then just make it clean. It's as easy as that. Don't take anything with a coating, because that coating will actually make the 3M tape stick less good. So just make sure that the antenna is clean, but nothing more than that. And is that shit, or what is that black little spot? It doesn't want to go off, so maybe it's just not painted anymore, I don't know. So yeah, just make sure that the whole section is very clean. And I'm just putting this on the roof and stuff like that, because I'm actually getting the roof wrapped, so I'm not really that bothered by the paint job. Okay, so everything is almost nice and clean. Then we're just gonna let it dry, because you don't want to put tape on something that's wet. Okay, so everything is, yeah, it's very nice and dry. Okay, so now we're just gonna give it a minute or two just to make sure that it's dry completely, and then we are going to put on the cover. Okay, so as you can see here, this is just easily removing the red things from the tape. That's to keep dirt out. You just remove everything. And then you also have one in the middle, which is a little bit harder to get, but you can get it here on the side. By the way, the kit comes with some extra 3M tape, so if you screw this up, oh, Mr. Noisy is here. So if you screw this up, then you have an extra roll and you can just, you know, put tape on it again. Mr. Noise Boy. Okay, so it's fairly simple. We just put it on here and then we apply some pressure for at least a couple of minutes, like a minute or two, just to make the 3M tape stick. And yeah, it's as easy as that. Okay, so a few minutes later now, and everything is nice and secure. Really, if you want to pull it off, you can still pull it off, but you will have to apply a lot of force, and this will not come loose anymore. Also because there is no wind coming under it. It really, you know, it fits in the little gap here, so that's a good thing. You cannot get wind under this, so it will not fly away at higher speeds. If you have a faster 1 series and you go to Germany and you blast over 250 kilometers an hour, this should have no problems. But yeah, it really fits very nice, and it really, you know, it's the same carbon fiber as this spoiler, so it's the same style, which always looks good. So yeah, tell me what you think about it, and yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.